Yo, Sonny! What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? A quick mailbox repair. I was actually out here about a year or two ago. Let me make sure I have my key so I don't lock myself out. Put this in about 2 years ago. You can see somebody backed into it. Pretty much smashed it up. So we're just replacing the unit here. Good thing I put that 4x4 post into solid concrete. It's very important you do that, and you could tell nothing had moved. So we're going to take this mailbox off the old one. And I went to the depot to pick up a new one. And what I did before I got here was I actually put it together at the shop. This way I didn't have to do it in the snow. So we're going to take this one off, take the mailbox off, reinsert this one. And you know the story. Let's break out the tools. Let's get what we need. All you need is a Phillips head drill. And let's get to it. Alright, that's it. You pull the old one out. I had to chip away at the concrete because that thing was in about an inch into the concrete, so it didn't just slip out. And you just reattach your bolts, screws, mailbox to the post. And that's it. Keep your extra screws for the next job. Throw the old crap in the box. And that'll be it. And we got to put that oil onto the landscape trailer. Oh, and let's put the customer's mail back in the mailbox. That'll help. That's it. That's how you replace a broken plastic mailbox post. Alright, before I go, I'm back at the, I call this my little shop, because when I'm not using it on the road, it's my shop. So we're going to put our tools back where they belong. Alright, always put your your stuff back when you're finished, so you have it for the next one. And yeah, times are changing, as you can see. Prices are up, gas, food, pretty much everything. I had to get oil, fill up the oil for my home heating. That went up almost, I don't know, triple the price. So when you're out here doing these handyman jobs, you have to have a minimum. Do not work by the hour, but if you do, make sure you get that hourly rate, because let me tell you something. People are expecting to get by on you. You have to stick to your worth, get your rate, because if you're out there working for peanuts and you got to spend $6 on a gallon of milk and $10 on a box of cereal soon for your kids, you're wasting your time out here, okay? All right, we'll catch you on the next one. What do we got to do now? We got to look for my boy. Where is he? Hey, yo, Sonny, where are you, kid? Let me see. Is he in here? Is he in the portable? Just in case. Yeah, that's an emergency only. And I have a video on that too. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. Sonny, are you in here? Sonny, you in there with the roof and nails, cuz? Sonny, what do you want to do, son?
Yeah, Sonny.
What do you want to do, Sonny? Right there, like right there.